Menteri Badi Kami Yak Transport ke Sorkar Jelawa Banteidor Lyngdoh Ulakran Scam ka Megalia kan pediang baik ban pynlong ya national game Lada omdei mentau snem ru hynrei hakis number 1 kan hi ka jubab jongu ka bade ya ka jingkli benrap unang thawan ka All India Thermal Congress na rang sakona zinit sangma kalaktik bat pendki nang thawan hak kanta kli jingkli hakas ngi basan ka dorbar mangtengka ka yin dorbar thawan ka jela hakas shipau tarik luber arjar arwar Uzinit lokwa bantep lanu kecela kan pediang penlong ka national game bat halor kani ba Banteidor loong batang sula ban penbiang ki jingdon kambaro on pediang ka national game lada omdei mentau snemru hynrei hakis number 1 haswa kani nong thawan moplang ba Eugene Lyngdoh ulabu jingkli bantep la ka sarkar cela ka da penkren em ban pentri kam ka sport polisi bat kumjuru ik jingrap sik senjuk ile kai ba per kibodan hakashatri jong kameglia State Olympic Association bat kiwipan.
Mr. Speaker, sir, to answer start question 48. A. No, sir. B. Sir does not arise in view of A above. C. After the notification of the sports policy on 12/12/2019, the department started the process of drafting an operational manual for the sports policy. However, the process could not be finished owing to the disruption caused by the COVID pandemic in the last 2 years. The department shall finalize the operational manual in the next 3 months.
Honorable Speaker, Sir, Meghalaya would be hosting the National Games for 36 disciplines. I would like to know from the Sports Minister, what steps has the department taken to prepare the athletes and the recruitment of qualified coaches?
Mr. Speaker, sir, the Sports Department have had several meetings with the MSOA for coming up with the proposal of different sports association for preparation of the team for the national games. The sports department is scrutinizing the proposal sent by different sports association for conduct of competitions, selection of athletes, training them, and sending them for competition exposure, and even hiring of renowned and well-experienced coaches so as to train our elite athletes for preparation for national games.
Sir, in view of the current infrastructure construction regarding the national games, once the national games are over, I would like to know whether these facilities will be provided to the different state sports associations for permanent training facility.
Right now, sir, the construction of a stadium, it's on the process is going on, and matter is yet to be decided, sir, why the state government is in full swing constructing and operation of various infrastructure, both for outdoor and indoor sports disciplines, and that will be decided later on, sir.
Sir, I would like to know how many of our national or international athletes have been provided jobs through the sports quota, and what is the current sports quota percentage?
Sir, the matter, sir, has been sought from the MPSC for the information being sought from the MPSC right now, sir, for the job quota.
Sir, I would like to know whether there is any specific financial allocation given by the government or the sports department to the various state sports association.
So the department has been supporting the sports association since its inception and has been doing so annually so as to enable them to conduct selection trial, conduct competition, participation in various regional and national level tournaments. The Department of Sports has conducted several workshops and meetings with the MSOA and the State Sports Association to capture the immediate requirement in regards to its sports equipment, recruitment of technical workforce, hosting of national level event, participating in national level events, etc. The finding has been captured and grant in aid is in process for being finalized by the department, enabling the extension of support to the association. The government of Meghalaya has approved grant in aid to 29 sports associations, amounting in current financial year 1 crore rupees. And sir, I would like to just inform the August House. For the last 1 year, sir, we have given to this association affiliated with the Meghalaya State Olympic Association. Archery Association, we have given for this 2021-22 financial year 8 lakh rupees. Meghalaya Athletic Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Badminton Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Basketball Association 10 lakhs. Meghalaya Billiard and Snooker Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Boxing Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Football Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Golf Promoters Association 8 lakhs. Meghalaya Judo Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Karate Do Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Softball Association 2 lakhs. Shooting Association of Meghalaya 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Swimming Association 5,59,000. Meghalaya Table Tennis Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Taekwondo Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Tennis Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Weightlifting Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Wushu Association 3 lakhs. Non-affiliated state sports association, we have given to them also, sir. Meghalaya Fencing Association 3 lakhs. Meghalaya Garam Association 1 lakh. Meghalaya Chess Association 2 lakhs.
Honorable Speaker, sir.
Meghalaya Body
Sir,
Builders
Honorable Minister.
Speaker,
sir. 1 minute.
If this-
Honorable Minister, I think you have a long list with you.
placed on the table of the House, sir.
Two more,
sir. 2 more.
Okay.
Then we finish.
Time, sir. We have
Meghalaya-
many other questions to take up.
Please take a seat.
Meghalaya
I'm looking at it.
Meghalaya Arm Wrestling 2 lakhs. Meghalaya Sports Climbing Monitoring Association 3 lakhs. This is the amount which we have given to the sports associations, sir, all over the state. At the same time also, we have given to the MSOA 6 lakhs this year. And we will be conduct also the TT National Championship this year, sir. We have given, we will be given 1 crore on April. And at the same time also, I take this opportunity, sir, to request all the sport associations, sir, to submit the UC on time, that we can give them some more money for the preparation of the different games all over the state.
So one last question.
Last question.
I'm so sorry if I've taken the time, but
No, you carry on.
I've been on the pitch
No,
for...
carry on, please.
Yeah. The last question is whether any scholarship program has been implemented by the government or the department when it comes to supporting kids in education through sports who have excelled in the national and international level.
Yes, sir. The government of Meghalaya has sanctioned amount rupees 1,02,45,000 during the current financial year 2022 for cash award of 264 sports persons who have won medal in regional, national, international level tournament in various sports disciplines. The department is allotting fund to the district under District Sports Promotion Society scheme for various components including sports scholarship that can be handed over to the medal winners in various sporting disciplines at the state level competition.
Yes, Vasil.
Mr. Speaker, sir, just to get one clarification from the Honourable Minister, the questioner of this very start question has been asking from the very beginning about the hosting of national games. So from the replies of the Honourable Minister that we are made to know that national games is going to be held in the state of Meghalaya. So we want to get the clarification from the Honourable Minister as to whether the state of Meghalaya is going to hold national games in the state.
So I've already mentioned in my reply also for the delay of the national game. So I'll just give the clarification to the better of the House, sir, to know.
Reply should be short. Please make it short.
So the COVID pandemic has delayed all sporting events, what I've stated also. Goa, Chhattisgarh and Uttarakhand are ahead of us, sir, for the host of national game. 36, 37, 38. We are 39th, sir, edition for national game. But the department, sir, has already been in touch with the Meghalaya State Olympic Association and in touch also with All India Indian Olympic Association to understand the possibility. By the end of this, the end of the year, sir, the state government will be in a position to host a construction and venue for preparation well. We are certainly hosting the Meghalaya game on May and June and the Northeast Olympic on October and November this year, sir. Just for the information of the House, sir.
That means, sir, we will be hosting, I could not get a reply, when we are expected to host the national game in the state of Meghalaya, considering all these backgrounds?
Once everything is ready, sir, I think we'll be hosting the national game. National game, we won't go anywhere, sir, from our state. We'll be hosting, if not this year, maybe next year, maybe coming year, but we'll be hosting a national game, sir.